You're right there, guys, it's Danny Hyde again, that geezer who thinks he's funny. Anyway, I wear a hair system, do you remember? Well, there's been a few changes and I want to tell you guys about it. Basically, I've changed the style. What do you think? It's just a bit shorter and I like it, but the main reason I like it is because it's the minimum hassle I could get from wearing a hair system, because that's what I'm all about. No hassle. That was my biggest fear when getting a hair system, that it was just going to be so much hassle. And this is the nearest I can get to getting up, going out of the house without worrying about it. All I do is get up, spray a bit of leave-on conditioner, give it a little and I'm good to go. Now, the other systems I had were a bit longer. I had like a fringe coming down, and yes, it was manageable, but I was finding it getting a bit tangled, and I was waking up doing all this, and yeah, I mean, it's not that much effort. I'm just a lazy git, and this is the way to go. I think it looks cool. I mean, I'm definitely not bald, and yeah, I'm happy with it. What else have I changed? Oh yeah, that's it. I've gone from this tape to this tape. Now the reason for this is simple. This stuff is better. That's it. That's my review. This stuff better than this stuff. Now, don't get me wrong. This stuff does a job. But what I found was, after a week, the glue property, the tape, it stopped working. It went all gloopy, and you had to rechange the system. You had to take it off, clean it, and put it back on after a week. Now, going back to the less hassle, this stuff, well, let's just say this thing's been stuck on my head now for 2 weeks, 3 days, and I haven't had to change it. So, call this the less hassle tape. I think its real name is Extender Bond. So, if you've got a hair system, I would go for this. I don't know how much it costs, you have to ask Hair for All, but yeah, it's beautiful. So, in conclusion, life with a hair system is better than being bald, and I'll stand by that. They should put that in a quote somewhere, like for the marketing team. Danny Hyde says, hair systems are better than being bald. Now, being bald's cool if you like being bald, but I don't like being bald, so I'll stick one of these on my head. And if you're thinking about getting one, give it a go. That's all I'm saying. Give it a go and see how you feel, because honestly, I feel fresh, and I want you to feel fresh too. Thanks for listening.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.